Alright, you'll need a Phillips screwdriver. Hopefully you have one. There's a screw in the back here. If you could take out. Then the front of the computer and the top of it. Slide forward and up. This is your solid state drive. Yours will look similar, but it may be a little slightly different, but it'll be the same size and shape. And it plugs in right here. And so it may have just come loose, or maybe it's not sitting quite right. So if you could just kind of angle it up and pull it out. It just kind of comes right back like this. And then try to get it down in there again, see where it plugs in to this part here. And then kind of angles in and down. And just try to get it to slide back over that again. And hopefully that works. If not, sorry, just bad luck, I guess. Thanks.